Now, guys, what we have here is a diagram shows the cross section of a road tunnel. The equation of the inner shape of the tunnel is given by x squared plus 4y squared equals 40. Now, the intersection is this little part here. You can see that it represents a U-shaped curve. If I just colour it in properly here, so you can see that the blue line is like an N-shaped curve. I'm going to represent the plank of wood by a red line. So we can see here that it's a red line. So once again, it's the generic thing of a curve and you have a line that intersects it twice. So what we're going to do is we're going to find out the 2 points at which it intersects, okay? So tunnels closed and security barrier PQ, one is P, the other one's Q, is erected to prevent vehicles entering the tunnel. It's not the best tunnel ever. I think a lot of people could get in there. The equation of the security barrier is given by x minus 4y plus 10 equals 0. Bolts at an angle hold the barrier in positions P and Q together as shown. Find the coordinates of the bolts. Okay, so what we're going to do here, guys, is we have a linear equation which is x minus 4y plus 10 equals 0. And then we have x squared plus 4y squared equals 40. What would you suggest we do, guys? What's the first step? Use the linear equation and get x on its own. Why would we not get y on its own for this particular question? Y has a 4 in front of it. Okay, so 4y minus 10. Once you get 4y minus 10, what you do next, Oscar? You have x equals 4y minus 10. What you do next? Dylan? Dylan says you sub it in for x. 4y minus 10 to be squared plus 4y to be squared equals 40. What now, Dylan? How do you multiply that out? You write out the bracket twice. Okay. What happens to the 40? Goes over. Now Lee, you're going to take the charge of this now. 4y by 4y. 4y multiplied by another 4y. 4y multiplied by another 4y. 4y by 4y. 16y squared. 4y by minus 10. Sorry, 4y multiplied by 4y. 4 by 4 gets your 16, and y by y gets your y squared. 4y by minus 10. 40y. Minus 10 multiplied by 4y. Yeah, and minus 10 by minus 10. Plus 100, come on. Plus 4y squared minus 40. Okay. How many y squareds do we have? And when you add them together, 20y squared. How many y's do we have? Add them together. They don't cancel because they're both minus. And then finally, 100 minus 40 plus 60. Any number that will divide into all of them. 20. Divide by 20 and you get y squared minus 4y plus 3 equals 0. Okay? And then just going to make this a wee bit smaller. Takes up a lot of space. Okay. Now solve that and you get a y minus 3, y minus 1 equals 0. Y equals, sorry, I won't skip a step. Y minus 3 equals 0. Y minus 1 equals 0. Y equals 3. Y equals 1. You haven't got full marks yet. Any explanation for what reason you won't have full marks? The x value is 4 times whatever your y value is, take away 10. Everybody happy with that? 4 times your y value, whatever that is, take away 10. So what we have here is 4 times whatever that value is. So one of them is going to be 3, and what's the other one? The other one's going to be 1. 4 times 3, 12 minus 10, plus 2 for the first one. 12 minus 10. It's 4y minus 10. 4 times y minus 10. And then 4 times 1 minus 10. Minus 6. Now, these are the x values. When y equals 3, x equals 2. When y equals 1, x equals minus 6. You're asking the question for coordinates. What does coordinates mean? Coordinates, anybody? Where they are. Okay. Now, one of them is minus 6, 1, and the other one is 2, 3. X is 2, y is 3. Which one's higher up, the 3 or the 1? Which is higher up the y-axis? The 3. So this means that because Q is higher than P, this means this is the one that has the y value of 3, and this is the one that has the y value of 1. So P is therefore minus 6, 1, and Q is 2, 3. Any questions? Okay, awesome.